Hello everyone and welcome to this study whereby we want to look at how to solve for x given this equation here. So to begin with, we are going to make use of this identity whereby if you are given a power n, this is the same as a into bracket power n. And also when you have a power n plus m, a power n plus m, this is the same as a power n times a power m. So you are going to employ those identities here, whereby now 3, this can be written as 3 power x multiplied by 3 power 1 minus 4 times 3 power x multiplied by 3 power 1 plus 9, which is equal to 0. Then we want also to make use of this identity whereby if you have a power nm, this can be written as a power m into bracket n. So we will employ that identity. This is power n. We shall employ that identity here, whereby instead of 3, this can be written as 3 power x, everything into bracket squared, multiplied by 3 power 1 minus 4 times 3 power x times 3 power 1 plus 9, which is equal to 0. Then at this level, we are going to let our y be equal to 3 power x. So here we will have y squared times 3 power 1, which is 3y squared, minus, you have 3 power 1, which is 3 times 4, that is 12. So we will have 12 y plus 9, which is equal to 0. This one we can divide by 3 throughout to simplify it. So we will have y squared minus 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 will give you 4y plus 3, which is equal to 0. Then, in this case, we have our product being 3 and our sum being negative 4. So the product of 3 is 3 and 1. Negative 3 times negative 1 is 3. Negative 3 plus negative 1 is negative 4. So we substitute here negative 3 minus y minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. Then we can factor y. We factor by, we do factorization by pairing. On how to do factorization by pairing, you can check my YouTube channel. Here we will have y into bracket y minus 1 minus 3 into bracket y minus 1, which is equal to 0. In this part here now, you can see y is common. Y minus 1 is common, so we can factor y minus 1. The first will be left with y. The second minus 3. This is equal to 0. So this means that y minus 1 is equal to 0, meaning that our y is equal to 1, or y minus 3 is equal to 0, meaning that our y is equal to 3. Remember, the objective is to get the value of x. The objective you are to let the value is to find the value of x. So We come here, we undulate our y to be y is equal to 3 x. So we have found our possible values is that y is equal to 3. So what are we going to obtain when y is equal to 3? So 3 is equal to 3 power x, meaning that x is equal to 1. The other value of y, we have found it to be 1. So 1 is equal to 3 power x. One can be written as 3 power 0, because here the number power 0 is equal to 1. This is equal to 3 power x, meaning that our x is equal to 0. So our possible values of x for that question is 0 and 1. You can check our answer. Check. You are given 3 power 2x plus 1 minus 4 times 3 into bracket x plus 1 plus 9 is equal to 0. So we start with when x is equal to 0. We will have 3 power 0 plus 1, because 2 times 0 is 0, minus 4 times 3 into bracket 0 plus 1 plus 9. This is 9, sorry. This one should give you 0. So this is 3 power 1, which is 3 minus, this is 3 power 1. Then you have, this is 12. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 9. So you can see here you have 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0, meaning that one of our answers is that x is equal to 0. It is correct. Then we can check this other one, x when x is equal to 1. So here we will have 2 times 1 is 1 plus 3. This is 3 power 3 minus 4 times 3. 1 plus 1 is 3 power 2 plus 9. This would give you 0. 3 power 3 will give you 27. 3 power 2 is 9. 9 times 4 will give you negative. 9 times negative 4 will give you negative that 6 plus 9 is equal to 0. So you can see 27 plus 9 will give you that 6 minus that 6, which is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0. So our possible values of x is that x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 0. So that is how we can solve for x in that equation. So thanks so much for learning with me this nice exponential equation. For more questions of that nature, remember to tune to my YouTube channel so that you may learn with me.